Welcome to Exodus vs. Enjin Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Exodus and Enjin Wallet, focusing on their features to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Exodus is a software wallet that stands out with its user-friendly interface and support for over 200 cryptocurrencies. It's ideal for beginners and intermediate users, offering an integrated exchange that allows users to swap coins directly within the wallet. Exodus is known for its attractive design, built-in portfolio tracker, and easy-to-understand investment insights. While it's a great wallet for managing a diverse range of assets, Exodus is still a software wallet, meaning it is connected to the internet and may not offer the highest level of security for large amounts of cryptocurrency. It uses standard security features like backup phrases, but lacks multi-signature or hardware wallet-level protection. On the other hand, Enjin Wallet is a specialized wallet designed with gamers and NFT enthusiasts in mind. It's a non-custodial wallet that supports Ethereum-based tokens and a range of other cryptocurrencies. One of Enjin's most notable features is its support for NFTs, allowing users to store, manage, and transfer digital collectibles with ease. Enjin is also designed to integrate seamlessly with the Enjin platform, a blockchain ecosystem for creating and managing virtual goods. The wallet features secure key management, including PIN protection, biometric authentication, and a recovery phrase. It also has a built-in decentralized exchange, DX, for swapping tokens directly, making it convenient for users looking to manage their NFTs and other crypto assets in one place. In conclusion, Exodus is perfect for users looking for a simple, all-in-one wallet to manage a broad range of cryptocurrencies with integrated exchange and tracking features. However, if you're a gamer, NFT collector, or part of the Enjin ecosystem, Enjin Wallet offers specialized features that are more tailored to your needs, especially for managing NFTs and Ethereum-based tokens. Both wallets have strong offerings, but your choice depends on your focus. General crypto management versus NFT and gaming-focused features. Check the links in the description for more details on both wallets.